Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. We're going to be making a swivel chair for our dolls, the kind of chairs that move. I went to a convention and they had a little lounge area and the chairs were so cool, so I was going to try and make up one. And we're going to need a lot of crafting materials for this one. We're going to start off with an empty tape roll, a little fastener pin, fabric, extra cardboard, pillow fluff or batting, beads, toothpicks, a sponge for the cushion, and our hot glue gun. But before we start to build the chair, I'm going to need you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click that notification bell. So we're starting off with our cardboard roll, and the first thing we're going to do is trace a circle onto an extra piece of cardboard. Cut that out. We're going to punch a hole in the center very carefully. You always want to be careful using sharp objects. From there, we're going to apply hot glue around the circle and cover it with fabric. Then we're going to put the hole back through the fabric. So now we have a little circle with a hole in it. Then we're going to cover our cardboard roll with our second piece of fabric. And this is what we have so far. So we'll glue the circle into the cardboard roll. From there, we'll take our sponge and cut out a cushion, cover it with fabric, always using caution with our hot glue gun. Here's our cushion, and from here we'll create a small little tiny circle, and we're going to use our fastener pin to start to assemble the chair. Going to insert it through the bottom of our base and then through the second small circle that we made. Pull down the ends to secure it. Do a little test, make sure that it can turn, and we'll carefully apply hot glue only to the small circle. We'll hot glue our cushion on, and again we're going to do our test to make sure that it could rotate. Then we're going to create the back of the chair. Cut out another piece of cardboard, and we're going to use our dowel to measure where we want the arm and the back of the chair to go. Carefully cut everything out, and then we're going to mark where the cushion starts. Then we're going to apply batting to the top part of the back of the chair and cover with our fabric. Looks like this. The back is completely covered, and we still want our chair to spin, so we're only going to apply that back part only to the seat cushion. So we're carefully using hot glue to attach the back only to the cushion, or else the chair won't be able to turn. And taking our time, the last thing we want to do is hurt ourselves crafting. So here's the chair. I'm going to add just a few minor details. First, we're going to check, make sure that it could turn. So it's functioning great. And the final step is to add some legs to the chair by gluing beads onto a toothpick and then gluing the toothpick into the base of the chair. Lastly, we're just going to pull down a little bit of the back and the arms. Add a little accent pillow And the chair is complete. This is super cute. I really like it. Maybe I could have did something different. I don't know. You're always double thinking and second guessing yourself when you're crafting. But it's really cute and it can function. You know, the chair could swivel for your doll. So I enjoyed putting it together. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And I really hope that you try it. I would love to see the doll crafts that you're working on. I'd love to see some of your dioramas, your doll pics. You could always contact me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'd love to hear from you. I also love your comments. And for leaving a great comment on our previous video, we're going to welcome DD Honeybee 2006 officially to the red carpet. If you want an official welcome, you know what to do. Just leave a comment. And remember, it's more fun to make it. Take care.